Hi, I'm John Moore. I'm a principal business analyst from the Oklahoma City office for rural sourcing. Mind mapping is a tool that we use to visually define scope and relationships on any sort of new endeavor or any sort of endeavor that we maybe don't have a great understanding of moving into. We can visually define a goal or something that we're working on, and then we can define the relationships of the varying requirements that build out from that initial goal to give us a good picture of scope and understanding of the work that we're trying to do. With Agile being an iterative kind of adaptive process, we still need to have a goal in mind. We still need to have a direction. And what mind mapping allows us to do is kind of draw a picture to understand the overall scope and relationships that we are heading towards without defining it too far and not being flexible. We like to use mind mapping as a tool for scoping because it creates a great visual of the actual scale of a project. You can see how complex the relationships are. You can see how many of them there are, how many requirements may exist. And it gives us a great idea just from a quick visual how complex this work really is. The key idea with a mind map is we're generating relationships, we're defining relationships. So what it allows us to do is organize the work in ways that make sense. We don't miss things and we don't put the cart before the horse, so to speak, and work on something that actually has underlying requirements that we didn't understand without having drawn them. I would like to use mind maps as a way to track our work just by color coding them. It's a really simple, again, visual way to use the tool where we'll just, red, yellow, green as an example, right? Everything that is red we haven't discussed yet. Everything that's yellow is in conversation or maybe we've talked about, we don't feel comfortable that we're ready to move on from. And everything that's green, we're done. When the map's green, we're ready to go.